Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see concave upward and concave downward. What is concave up? So what is mean by concave up is a graph. Okay, we have drawn the graph. That graph is said to be concave up at a point. Okay, at one point we have to say that point is concave up when if the tangent line to the graph at that point lies below the graph. So what is that? If the tangent line to the graph at that point lies below the graph is your concave up. And what is concave down? Similarly, a graph is said to be concave down at a point if the tangent line or tangent line எடுக்கிறோம், that tangent line lies above the graph. So, okay, so if it is lie above the graph, now it is concave down. Below the line, now it is concave up. Now, problem will be given. We have to find at what point it is concave upward and concave downward. And these are the steps we are going to follow. What is the first step? F of x will be given. We have to find f dash of x, f double dash of x. Then we have to let f double dash of x equal to 0, get your x value. Okay, and make the line interval. After that, substitute your x values in f double dash of x. So what is condition now? If f double dash of x is greater than 0, then it is called concave upward. F double dash of x less than 0, then it is concave downward. Okay, so f double dash greater than concave upward, f double dash less than it is concave downward. Next, point of inflection. So what is point of inflection means? The point where the graph of the function changes. Okay, concave up இருந்து concave down change ஆச்சுன்னா or concave down to concave up. So the point where the graph of the function changes from concave up to concave down or vice versa are called point of inflection. So next exercise 7.7, we are going to find out at what point it is concave upward, concave downward and point of inflection. Take your exercise 7.7, first problem. So what is the question? Find the intervals of concavity. Find the intervals of concavity and point of inflection. Both we are going to find. Point of concavity, sorry, intervals of concavity and point of inflection. Okay. Now take your first problem. F of x equal to x into x minus 4 the whole cube. Okay. So what we are going to find out here, f of x is given. What we have to find out? F dash and f double dash. Correct? Okay. First we can find out f dash of x. So f dash of x na first UV method. X ஒரு term, x minus 4 the whole term. So UV method use பண்ணோம்னா x அப்படியே போட்டிங்கன்னா இது 3 into 3 x minus 4 the whole square plus next term அப்படியே போட்டோம்னா x minus 4 the whole cube, x differentiate பண்ணா 1. So x minus 4 காமனாக எடுக்கலாம் simplify பண்ணுறதுக்கு. So x minus 4 the whole square காமனாக எடுத்தோன்னா 3x and இங்கே plus x minus 4 will be remaining. Correct? Again if you take this will become x minus 4 the whole square. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x minus 4. Again we can take see x minus 4 the whole square. In the 4 common வெளியே எடுத்தோன்னா x minus 1. Okay, this is your f dash of x. But for finding a concavity, we have to find out f double dash of x. Correct? So f double dash of x equal to, again we have to use UV method. Either u, either v. So we can take 4 as common. x minus 4 the whole square as it is, இதை differentiate பண்ணா 1 plus x minus 1 அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு இதை differentiate பண்ணா 2 into x minus 4. Again, if you simplify this, x minus 4 we can take common. So 4 into x minus 4 a common எடுத்தீங்கன்னா here it is x minus 4 plus 2x minus 2. Again, this will be 4 into x minus 4 and this will be 3x minus 6. 3 a common எடுக்கலாம். So 3 எடுத்தோம்னா 4 3s are 12. 12. So x minus 4 இங்க x minus 2. This is your f double dash of x. Correct? Now, what is the next step? We have to let f double dash of x equal to 0. Implies the full term 0 ஆயிடுமா. So x minus 4 x minus 2 equal to 0. That is x equal to 2 comma 4. Is that right? So we got the x value 2 comma 4. Now make the number line minus infinity to 4. Okay, now we have to check the interval, that is minus infinity to 2 curve எப்படி இருக்கு, 2 to 4 how the curve was, and 4 to 8 how the curve. Okay, so first we can consider otherwise we can put the tabular column. Hope it will be easy. So first what interval we can take, minus infinity to 2. So minus infinity to 2 we can take. Okay va? Okay, which number we can take? Can we take 0? Okay, நீங்க இங்க 0 substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus 4 minus 2 you will get positive value. Correct? Minus into minus plus. So plus na it is f double dash of greater than 0. Greater than 0 na it is concave up. Correct? Next 2 to 4. 2 to 4 na we can take 3. இங்க 3 substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 ல 2 போச்சுன்னா 1 plus into minus minus. Correct? So minus we are getting, that is concave down. Right? Now again, what is the last interval? 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity எடுத்தீங்கன்னா we can substitute 5. இங்க 5 போட்டோம்னா positive value கிடைக்கும். இங்கேயும் positive, that is more positive, that is concave up. Correct? Okay, now this is your concave up, concave down, concave up. Okay, so we completed intervals of concavity. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out point of inflection. Point of inflection na enna? A graph changes its sign, concave up to concave down, or concave down to concave up. Correct? Now look at this diagram. Concave up போயிட்டு திரும்ப இங்க concave down வந்திருக்குது. At what point? X equal to 2. Okay, so what we have to write is the point x equal to 2 changes the direction of f double dash of x from positive to negative. Correct? From positive to negative. Therefore x equal to 2 gives point of inflection. Okay, so the point is 2 comma f of 2. So f of 2 na என்ன பண்ணனும்? Question la we have to substitute 2. That is 2 comma question la 2 போட்டோம்னா what is the question given? What is question given? This is what. Okay, so 2 la 4 போச்சுனா 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 2s are 16. That is in your order இருக்கறனால minus 16. Correct? So answer is 2 comma minus 16. Okay, now again இங்க down வந்து திரும்ப that is negative to positive change ஆயிருக்கு. Again you have to write at what point x equal to 4. So you have to write as it is, that is the point x equal to 4 changes the direction of f double dash of x from negative to positive. Negative to positive, right? Therefore, x equal to 4 gives the point of inflection. The point is what? 4 comma f of 4. Correct? That is 4 comma நம்ம questionல 4 substitute பண்ணோம்னா 4 minus 4 is 0. Anyhow, the whole value is 0. So 4 comma 0 is the another point of inflection. That's all. So first we have to check concavity and we have to find the point of inflection. Second subdivision, f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. So what is the first step? We have to find out f dash of x. So f dash of x, sin x differentiation cos x differentiation minus sin x. Next f double dash of x. So minus sin x minus cos x. F double dash of x equal to 0. That is minus, we can take common. So sin x plus cos x equal to 0. Correct? Now we have to find out your x value, right? So here we can write this as sin x equal to minus cos x. Correct? That again we can write it this as sin x by cos x equal to minus 1. So sin x by cos x is tan x. So tan x equal to 1. Now when you tan x get value 1 when it is pi by 4. But here it is minus 1. Correct? So minus 1 now your tan gets a negative in all silver teacup. So second quadrant and fourth quadrant tan will take negative value, right? So x equal to pi by 4 actually 1, but here we are getting minus 1. So minus 1 now we will get x equal to second quadrant now 3 pi by 4, fourth quadrant now 7 pi by 4. So what is your x value? 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Now we can take the interval minus this is and here it is given as question, it is given that 0 to 2 pi. Correct? So 0 to 2 pi and 3 pi by 4 will come here, 7 pi by 4 will come here. Okay ma? So as like your previous problem. Now if we take interval 0 to 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Next, okay, so 0 to 3 pi by 4, we can take any value. We can take pi by 2, okay. So if I take pi by 2 and substitute in f double dash, sin pi by 2 1, this is 0. So 1 is your positive, correct? So this is positive. Positive na, you will get this is concave downward. Sorry, we have to sign here f double dash of x. So sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0. So this is minus 1. Minus 1 na negative we are getting. It is not positive. So negative. Negative now what? Concave down. Correct? Concave down. Okay, next. 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4 we can take one value, that is pi we can take. So if I take pi and substitute here, sin pi 0, so no problem. Cos pi minus 1, inga minus irukkarnala plus, so you will get sin is positive. Since we are getting positive, this is concave upward. Concave upward. Next, 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. We can take 15 pi by 8. Okay, so again if you substitute 15 pi by 8 in minus sin x minus cos x, here you will get a negative sign, that is concave down. Okay, so here it is concave down, concave up, and again concave down. So this is your concavity. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out the point of inflection, right? Okay, so the point x equal to 3 pi by 4. Look at here, 3 pi by 4 la down to up ஆயிருக்கு. So the point x equal to 3 pi by 2 changes the sign of f double dash of x from negative to positive. Therefore, x equal to 3 pi by 4 is a point of inflection. Point of inflection. And the point is 3 pi by 4 comma f of 3 pi by 4, okay, which is equal to 3 pi by 4. Now f of 3 pi by 4, that is here, this is your question, instead of x we have to substitute 3 pi by 4, okay, and if you substitute 3 pi by 4 and see, you will get the answer as 0. So 3 pi by 4 comma 0 is one point of inflection. Next, again the point, what is the next one? 7 pi by 4. Okay, so the point 7 pi by 4 changes the sign of f double dash of x from positive to negative. Therefore, x equal to 7 pi by 4 is a point of inflection. The point is 7 pi by 4 comma f of 7 pi by 4, that is 7 pi by 4. Again, if you substitute sine 7 pi by 4 plus cos 7 pi by 4 is 0. So 7 pi by 4 comma 0 is your point of inflection. Next problem, third subdivision. F of x equal to 1 by 2 e power x minus e power x. So we have to find out f dash of x, f double dash of x, right? So f dash of x equal to half e power x. E power minus x differentiate panna minus irukku, inga minus irukanaala plus, so e power minus x. And f double dash of x equal to 1 by 2 e power x minus e power x. What is the next one? F double dash of x equal to 0 implies this is equal to 0, correct? So e power x equal to e power minus x. When your e power x and e power minus x are equal, when x equal to 0, because anything past 0 is 1, no? So 1, 1. So what is your x value? 0. Next, what we have to take? Interval, correct? Interval line. So this is minus infinity plus infinity and 0. Now again we have to make the tabular column, that is interval sign and f double dash of x. Next, what is your interval? Minus infinity to 0, and here 0 to infinity. Okay, now we can take minus infinity to 0, that is we can take x equal to minus 1. Okay, so if I substitute x equal to minus 1, here what you will get? Half e power minus 1 minus e. Okay, so e power n is 1 by e, that is less than 0. So less than 0 na, it is negative sign. So negative na, it is concave down. Next, 0 to infinity, we can take x equal to 1. So obviously 1 எடுத்தீங்கன்னா this point you will get negative, that is positive. Therefore, it is concave upward. Okay, ma? So concave downward na this arrow and concave upward na upward. Now what we have to find out? Point of inflection. So the point x equal to 0 changes the sign, correct? Saying changes the sign of f double dash of x from negative to positive, right? Therefore x equal to 0 gives the point of inflection. Point of inflection. The point is what? 0 comma f of 0. So f of x oda value enna poduveenga? 0. That is anything purpose 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the final answer? 0 comma 0 is the point of inflection. That's all today's session. So today we saw intervals of concavity and point of inflection. So intervals of concavity, f double dash we have to find. Then if f double dash greater than 0 na concave up, less than 0 na concave down. And point of inflection, what is the formula? 0 comma x comma f of x. And your homework is example 7.57 and 7.58. Thank you, students.